Oh, I gotta get my GoPro.
Alright, try a different angle on this camera.
Film what's going across?
Yeah. Film the MAKO first.
Yeah, MAKO first, and we'll get on your bike. We'll set up the tripod.
Okay.
That way his bike's in the garage.
That's not going to do it, is it?
It's not far enough?
I don't think so.
Right, give that a go. How deep's that river?
I don't know yet.
That's pretty deep.
Is it?
Not crazy, but you go over there, you get a wet foot, but yeah. I mean, you're gonna get a wet foot, but
well, better than a wet cylinder.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do some MAKO shooting here, and obviously it's a little deep where we normally pass right here. Probably about a foot. Doable, yes, but we'll just come down and come back up again. Oh, I'm driving our buddy's bike. Just put the MAKO on it, and I'm going to do a comparison between my TE and this TX. This TX with the MAKO versus my TE without, because I want to see on these trails here what it looks like. Certainly feel the difference. It is smooth. Oh yeah, lost the front end on her.
yes, you did.
It is greasy.
It is very.
Sorry, Nick. That didn't help.
Big discount though.
Yeah, I'm good at crashing. I'll take my Ohlins over that any day. I'll take my Ohlins over the MAKO.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Gotta turn the bike around. Yeah, I can see me whiskey throttling myself right into that trailer. Oh, our log.
Camera, yes.